As a sport fishing guide, I often spend most of the day running on the electric motor. I decided to have lithium batteries installed in our latest boat, and so far have been exceptionally happy with their performance. The motor guide and Simrads are all running off the two lithiums with no interference, and the images on the screens are as clean as a whistle. The battery charge meter hasn't dropped below 65% on any full day of constant use on the motor guide, allowing me to focus on the most important thing, the fish. For me as a guide, the two most important benefits of lithium batteries are one, the weight difference between them and the old AGMs we used to use. They're much lighter, and in the small boat that we've just set up, our new 18-foot Sportsman, the weight makes a huge difference. The other thing is they're much faster to charge. I've just been trickling the charge through from the outboard motor, and I've done a number of guided trips since we've installed them, and I haven't had to plug the 240 charger in at all.
In this boat now we've only got 24 kilos of lithium batteries compared to we would need 150 to 180 in AGMs to compete. One of the biggest benefits of lithium is the recharge time, so we can now recharge them 5 times quicker. Lithium will probably run for twice as long, if not 3 times longer, because lithium holds its voltage all the way through. So if you look at a graph, it basically with lithium goes on a flat plateau and then falls off at the end. So the idea is that your voltage stays high, so everything runs a lot more efficient. One key feature in this boat is we've added a Bluetooth shunted gauge, which means you can now look at everything on a gauge in the boat, the state of charge of both your start battery and your house batteries, which are running the motor guide. So we can also look at how much the motor guide is using and how many hours we've got left on it or days. We can see the recharge coming from the main engine, all on our fingertips, on a gauge or on our phone. So if we go onto our phone, we can then log in, which is very, very quick and simple, and it just comes up and shows us exactly the voltage of the lithium, shows us the voltage of the start battery, and shows us the current. So now I'll turn the motor guide on, and now you can see, as I slowly increase the speed, you can now see the amp draw and also the voltage of the lithium.
I've fitted a 25 amp red arc DC charger. It basically only charges when the outboard's running. It works off the voltage of the charging system from the outboard. Under testing we were getting 25 amps at idle, which is really good considering this outboard only has 35 amp charging capacity. So that'll result in faster charging of the batteries.
Even though lithium batteries do cost more than standard AGMs, I believe the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial cost. For anyone concerned about the safety aspects of these batteries, Revolution Power Solutions only use the best quality batteries without cobalt, which has been the cause of overheating in other systems in the past. If you have any questions about this system in our new boat, contact us at Guided Fishing Down Under, or if you'd like to book a sport fishing trip, you can see how well this system works for yourself on our 18-foot Sportsman Island Bay.